How to fix a Disney Plus not available at your location. Step 1. Verify your IP address. Ensure your IP address is correctly registered in your country. Sometimes ISPs use IPs from different regions, causing access issues. You can check your IP location online. Step 2. Disable VPNs. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it. Disney Plus may block access if it detects a VPN, as it can mask your true location. Step 3. Contact support. Reach out to Disney Plus support with your ISP details. They can help resolve any if related blocks or errors. Step 4. Try a different network. Switch to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is with your home network. So this is how to fix Disney Plus not available at your location.